The next two iMachining operations perform the cutting of the 5 circular through pockets. Double-click on iRough through pockets in the CAM Manager to open the iMachining operation dialog. By clicking the Show button in the Geometry branch, we can see that the 5 chains are defined to represent the 5 closed pockets. Since the pockets are closed, with no pre-drilling or entry chain defined, helical ramping is used to enter the bottom of the pocket. Again, we will be using a 1/2 inch diameter end mill, as well as have a negative 25 thou delta depth, so the tool machines deeper than the part. In the Technology branch, we can see that this iRough operation has a 10 thou allowance on the wall. Let's click Simulate and take a look at the tool path. In HostCAD, we see that the tool performs a helical entry into each pocket and clears out the necessary material. Let's also look at the simulation using SolidVerify. Exit the simulation and operation dialogs and open the iFinish through pockets operation from the CAM Manager. This operation will finish the through pockets. iFinish is listed for Technology. Also note that the previous iRough through pockets operation appears in the parent operation combo box under the iRest Data tab in the Technology branch. Under the Technology tab, we'll see the wall offset has a value of 0. This iFinish operation will use the same tool and have the same negative 25 thou delta depth. Let's click Simulate to view our toolpath. First, we'll use HostCAD. Then, we'll use SolidVerify to view the tool moving through the solid stock material. Let's exit our simulation and operation dialogs.